5 Best Mop for Dog Hair on Hardwood Floors Reviews. Number 1. Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. This cleaning mop is durable and is going to last long. Its long handle is made of aluminum alloy, the mop head with metal, and the pads are soft but firm on the dirt. With few swipes, your hardwood floors will be clean of debris. You get 2 microfiber pads and 2 scrub pads with it. The design of the mop pad is such that picking up pet hair, dust, and debris is easy and quick. Wash the microfiber pads after every use up to 100 times and reuse them. These are eco-friendly, and you can wash them in the machine. So, safe and hassle-free. Its 360-degree spin head reaches tightest corners, under furniture, and even baseboards to clean the dust. The mop head is 17 inches large, so it covers a good space in one swipe. So, dusting and mopping a large room takes less time. Its large handle comes handy in dusting the ceiling. Number 2. 18 inches Professional Microfiber. This mop from Microfiber Wholesale comes with 2 types of microfiber pads, a wet mop pad and a dust mop pad. These are supported by a 6-foot handle made of stainless steel that can be adjusted to suit your needs and a high-quality aluminum frame. The mop comes packaged with 2 wet mop pads and 1 dust mop pad. This enables you to switch between high-quality microfiber pads depending on the type of cleaning you are doing. These pads are machine washable and thus save you replacement costs. The stainless steel handle is durable and not prone to rust even after long use. It is adjustable to up to 6 feet, catering for a wide range of user heights. Number 3. Cedar Easy Wring Microfiber Spin Mop. Easy Wring is the best wet mop for tile and hardwood floors. It is easy, looks cool, and works even cooler. You have a wide bucket with a foot pedal and a mop. Inside the bucket, you have a spinner that strains water and dries the mop head. Wet mopping can be harmful to hardwoods. So, mops that are too damp are not a good choice. This one wrings water thoroughly to dry the microfiber. The mop head in it is different because it has a triangular design. Instead of pads, it has thick microfiber threads. The fiber does deep cleaning like no other. To wash the dirt, throw it in the machine after detaching it from the mop head. For hands-free wringing, put the microfiber in the bucket and then at once on the spinner. Start foot pedaling. The spinner with the mop head will start spinning in speed.
We like to play crocodile on the floor. Cedar Easy Wring removes over 99% of bacteria, even with just water, and wrings with the press of a pedal. Easy Wring. Easy and truly clean floors.
Try it. You'll see.
Also discover the Cedar Pro Mist Max for the fastest, everyday clean. Oh, cedar. It feels great to feel at home.
Number 4. LINKYO Microfiber Hardwood Floor Mop. The LINKYO is a bright colored and excellent mop to have for your hardwood floor. It is quite small and compact, but the cleaning it provides is quite remarkable. If you have a smaller sized home, then this goes in and around the corners of your house quite easily. But most importantly, it has a 360 swivel head. You can get underneath furniture and your sofas with ease. The LINKYO Hardwood Floor Mop's head is perfectly rectangular shaped. Why is it important? Well, that makes it slides right up against the corner, and you can clean the corners and under the edges easily with it. The design is beautiful, very affordable, let you reach even the tightest corners very easily. The wand is adjustable. Number 5. Bissell Steam Mop, Steamer. Bissell Steam Mop is an excellent floor cleaner and mop that is going to blast away all the dog hairs off your hardwood floor. You can mop and also steam clean your hardwood floor at the same time with it. You don't have to compromise your health with all the germs lurking in your floor. Unlike other mops, the Bissell Steam Mop lets you get done with cleaning only once. This mop provides performance at cleaning up any mess that your dog may leave behind, be it hairs or urines. It is better than many of the expensive steam mops you can get in the market, yet it is quite affordable. Its concentrated steam cleans your floors and helps take care of tough spots, dried up messes and pet hair as well. Gets ready in less than a minute. Makes mopping easy, fast and less of a chore.